Flying shirts.
CME's Smith Board, Attorney Richard Escarina, Chief of Pro Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Ms. Jackie Lucacho Ordido. Judges for this bout, Attorney Donrex Tabdasan, Sylvester Abainza, and Carlo Baluyot. And when the bell rings, the referee in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Jojo Lianera. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing a black with white, official weight 118 pounds. Professional record, no victory, 1 defeat, and 1 bout even. Representing King of Pound Fitness Center, Batangas City, ladies and gentlemen, June Ruiz Solis. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing red, blue, and white. Official weight 117 pounds. Professional record, 1 victory with no defeat. Ladies and gentlemen, from Hardstone Mones Boxing of Bangar, La Union, introducing Nino Cardoza. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Jojo Lianera.
Pag sinabi kong stop, wala nang susuntok. Pag sinabi break, break ha. Okay. That's loud. Good luck.
Ang referee natin mga kabandoy, Jojo Lianera. 4 rounds lang po ito. Ito na pangalawang bout.
Round number 1.
Ayan yung ano natin, gwapong referee, Sammy Bernari. Ayan. First round. Yung naka-black mga kapandoy, taga Batangas yan. Yung naka-flag flag shirts, mga ano, taga Bangar, La Union. Yung mga ano, Batangas, mga ano. First round lang. Tumigil.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are live on the official Facebook page of Ilorde TV. You can also check the official Facebook page of Zamboanga Valientes.
Yung taga Bangar, La Union, yung nasa red corner mga kapantay. Bata ni Art Moniz.